stop scrolling. These 5 powerful tools could completely change the way you work. From effortless branch cutting to precision repairs and high-speed rotary performance. First up, Worx NITRO 20V Pruning Shears, a powerful one-handed cutting tool designed to make yard work effortless. Its titanium-plated blade reduces friction, cuts smoothly, and resists rust, while the brushless motor delivers more power, longer runtime, and extended tool life. With the soft grip handle, you can work comfortably with less fatigue. It easily cuts branches, twigs, and shrubs up to 1 inch thick, and the 20V PowerShare battery works with 75+ compatible tools. The kit includes the pruning shears, a 2.0 Ah battery, and a 1-hour charger. MICROJIG GRR-RIPPER, a smart upgrade designed to make woodworking safer and more versatile. When freehand routing, it helps deflect flying chips and sawdust, keeping debris away while you stay focused on the cut. But it does more. It connects 2 GRR-RIPPER or GRR-RIP block push blocks for handling larger panels, longer stock, and multiple table saw, router table, or shaper setups. Easy to attach, simple to use, and made in the USA, this MICROJIG innovation helps you work safer and smarter. RIDGID ProPress Pressing Tool, a powerhouse built for speed, flexibility, and serious job site performance. Compatible with all RIDGID standard series jaws, rings, actuators, and attachments. This kit includes 4 ProPress jaws from 1/2 inch to 2 inches, an 18-volt battery, charger, and rugged carrying case. Its brushless motor is designed for over 100,000 press cycles with no scheduled maintenance, while the 360-degree swivel head makes tight spaces easier to reach. Add Bluetooth connectivity, bright LED lighting, and color-coded indicators, and you get a smarter, more efficient pressing solution. Fanttik Electric Screwdriver, a compact powerhouse built for precision and serious versatility. Its 250 RPM MagnaStorm motor delivers up to 6 Nm of torque, while 7 adjustable settings let you safely handle everything from delicate electronics to furniture assembly. The sleek magnetic storage case includes 20 bits, an extension rod, and a 90-degree adapter for tight spaces. With a long-lasting 2,000 mAh battery, fast USB-C charging, and smart LED indicators, the Fanttik NEXS2 Pro makes everyday repairs faster, easier, and more professional. Hoto Cordless Rotary Tool, a compact powerhouse built for DIY makers, hobbyists, and workshop projects. Its brushless motor delivers a wide 5,000 to 35,000 RPM speed range for sanding, polishing, grinding, drilling, and light cutting. Quiet, low-vibration operation gives you better control, while the 3,000 mAh USB-C rechargeable battery provides up to 2 hours of use. Add a shadow-free LED ring light, safety lock, and 37 versatile accessories, and you have one seriously capable tool for wood, plastic, resin, and soft metal projects.